Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what we have here, starting from a daily time frame, as you can see on the right chart, we had two down days in a row, but a very interesting point here is that this is where we have the area of the key support cluster. So the area around 1.2, I will say like a 400, 450 area is a key support zone. And this is the key, this was a major swing highs that held for many months. And we're building higher lows. Market, we can see from the Fibonacci retracement perspective that we have the Fibonacci confluence around 1.2, 430 and so, plus we have at this 1.2, 450 as well, this recent swing highs. So there is a potential for the further upside movement and for the rotation to the upside. So the areas to watch for the upside is, of course, the area around 1.2, 640 and 1.2, 678. From my perspective, as long as we can keep above this trend line, above this key support cluster, and as long as the market is not trading below and holding below, the trend is absolutely still to the upside and to the buyers are in control short-medium perspective. The two days pullback can be just a normal reaction on this currency pair. So pay attention to this zone and this trend line. So for now, market is holding and there is a big Fibonacci confluence area around this area 1.2, 430. Speaking of the gold market, it's a very similar situation. We have a strong upside cycle in the background. We didn't take the cluster of the lows. We didn't take even the low at around 1999. And the Friday close in the middle. And this is a key Fibonacci confluence around 2000 mark, 2009. So this can just be basically a normal reaction for the gold, and I still see the potential for the upside continuation, short midterm speaking, and potential for retest of 2042, and of course maybe for a retest of 2080, and then later on, if we can trade higher and so on, it can open the door for even 2001, 120, 140 mark, and so on and so forth. So key support area held actually on Friday, and we have a reaction so far this morning. So I see potential for the upside in the next period. Crude oil, once the crude oil reached the 73.50 area, it failed to go for a couple of days, and then market sold off. Pretty much what we were speaking about, and then I still see potential for the lower prices. Market is trading a downside cycle and downside environment, and there is a potential to test the 68.44, or even to take and try to attack this pin bar territory all the way from 67.50 to the 63, let's say 64 mark. Sellers in control on this market. And Bitcoin versus US dollar, another potential for very great area. Market held on Friday. Market closed well of the low. This is a sign of strength. It went above this key support cluster back into the range. So this was a 100 Fibonacci expansion. There is a big Fibonacci confluence around 26,600. Very nice test reject on Friday, and potential for the price to go. And this might also be a completion of ABC on the daily frame. So potential for the market to go again short midterm towards the 30,000 mark or 31,000 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy it. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.